So I'm starting the document from the HTML tag, then head. This is the basic structure of the HTML document. So we are doing practice of certain tags today. And then we have to close the head tag. So this is the structure. यही structure हम follow करते हैं for making the HTML document. And then we have to start body. That is, I am setting the BG color in it. And text of maroon color. Now the next is बच्चे logical tags or the logical style that some of the students are asking. The tags which are under the logical styles, you can note it down. The tags are number 1, DFN, that is define tag. DFN, note it down. DFN, define tag. This tag is used when you want to define some definition. You want to define some term. So we will write in this. For example, if I'm writing www, World Wide Web, and then define close. So this is the define tag. Okay. The next is EM tag. When you want to emphasize some term, आपने किसी term पे focus करना है, you want to emphasize. For example, if I'm writing same FTP, it's file transfer protocol. Clear? Define tag, emphasis tag. Next is cite. CIATE. Cite means for the quotations or the citings of some books or some, you can say some names. When you want to quote some example, you want to cite some example, so you can write it like this. So any text you can write, for example, if I'm writing network, then cite tag, close. These all are the logical styles. Okay. यहाँ पे मैं इसको underline भी दे रही हूँ so that the nesting can be shown. So U tag close and then P tag close. After the cite tag, the next tag is the code. Code tag is used when you want to depict some coding. For example, a Python, C++ की coding कर रहे हैं. So I'm using here cout statement of C++. This way we used to give output in the C++ cout. So I'm just giving a coding part, so that's why inside the coding tag, that is the code tag, I'm giving some coding. Next is the samp tag, that is sample, which is used to display a particular sequence of some characters. So SAMP. For example, the characters may be abort, return. So these are the samples or quotations you can give. And then again you have to close the SAM tag. More than 2 or 3 tags, the output will be in the italics form only. आपको italics में show होगा आपका result. So these are just the different tags. The same purpose can be fulfilled with the italic tag also. So that we have already discussed in the class. So आप italic tag use करके भी ये सारी चीजें implement कर सकते हो. But just they have make a different tags. जैसे हमने bold का strong भी किया था. But the output was same. The same way you can use different tags, but the concept will be same. Strong, when you want to bold some text, then strong tag close. Next is a keyboard tag is there, that is KBD. This is just to give the keyboard font. Then KBD close. Okay, the last is the var tag when you want to declare some variable inside the coding. आप कोई भी वेरिएबल के साथ कोडिंग दे रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग A is name. So here I am closing a var tag. So this is all the logical styles. No doubt the effect will be same as of bold and italic only, but we have some different tags. Now next, I am giving the physical styles. So in physical styles, we have 4 tags. Then U tag close, then P tag close. Okay. Now under the physical styles, we have bold, then we have U tag, U tag close, then we have I for the italics. And the last one is the typewriter text, that is TT tag. This is just a typewriter font. जैसे typewriter में typing होती है ना, the same thing. And then close the body tag, and then last HTML tag. Done, बच्चे. Let's see the output in the browser now. Firstly, save the file. Now let's look at the output. So let me do some changes. We need to put BR tags so that the results can be clearly visible. So breaking the line, I'm using the BR tag. And what is the full form of BR? Break or line break. You can simply write break or line break. Okay. Break rule कोई full form नहीं होती है. So many students have written in the test also. That is wrong. Okay. Now looking towards the output. So you can see logical styles. पहले वाले दोनों देखो, define और emphasis is coming in the italics only. Third one also in the italics. Third one we have used cite tag. Okay, cite and then coding, then sample. Simple coding format will be there. Strong. Then keyboard font. Physical styles में bold, underline, italic and typewriter font. Just to give the formatting purpose. So these tags are for the formatting, but we have categorized it into the 2 categories, that is logical styles and the physical styles. Clear? This thing is clear? Any doubt? You can once again look at the coding. Any doubt in this picture? BR full form is break or line break. Break or line break. Cite tag is used to display the results in italics, and it is just for displaying a text, for displaying a quotations or any citing example. अगर आपको example quote करनी है, ठीक है? That is. SAM tag is just for displaying the characters. Any characters, for example, with related to the shortcut keys, you can display. किसी एक ऑपरेशन को करने के कौन कौन से मेथड्स आप उसको अबॉर्ट कर रहे हो, आपने वापस प्रोग्राम के अंदर शिफ्ट करना है, कंट्रोल कहाँ पे आपने अपना ट्रांसफर करना है. सो जस्ट टू डिपिक्ट दोस थिंग्स वी यूज्ड टू गिव SAM tag. Logical tags define M, that is emphasis, side, code for giving the codings, SAM, strong, keyboard, KBD tag, just to give the keyboard font, where when you want to display a variable. कोडिंग्स के अंदर हम वेरिएबल्स डिक्लेयर करते हैं. इफ यू रिमेंबर इन द क्यू बेसिक हम करते थे a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b. So a and b, what are those? Those are the variables. So when we have to declare a variables, we use val tab. Clear? And in the physical styles, bold, underline, italic, and typewriter text. So styles are clear. Yes, Jasleen. Any doubt now, bache? Okay, so now next we have to do practice of one web page. So मैं इसी में coding कर रही हूँ. Let me share. The question is visible. Yes, Shivansh. Activity 1. Is it visible? Ayush. Jasleen, visible hai? Okay. So it's a web page given. So you have to display a web page. Subjects covered in 10th. This is the heading. List is given. Who will tell me the type of list mentioned here? कौन सी list mention है यहाँ पे? Yes, Himani. Himani, unmute yourself. Which kind of list?
Ordered list.
Ordered list, and after the ordered list, unordered list is there. But what we do, we call to the combined concept. जिसमें more than one list will be there. We call it as. Yes, Jasleen. May Ayush.
Ma'am, nested list.
Nested list. When in a web page, more than one list is there, but not separately, it is a combined list. One list is having another list inside it. अगर एक list के अंदर ही दूसरी list है, so that is called the nested list. The instructions are given for making this web page, so you can do the coding side by side. The title of the page is subjects. So let me change the title first. So title tab, it is given subjects. The next instruction, background color of the page is silver. So background color is silver. Next, heading of the page is H1, underline, center align. Three things are given for the heading. The heading is subjects covered in 10. Heading of the page is H1, underlined. For H1, underlined and centered aligned. So for centered aligned, we will use the attribute that is H1 align equal to center. And then heading is given, underlined, subjects in 10. Then U tag close and then H1 close. Any doubt in this line? ये line सबको clear है? Look at the instruction again. Heading of the page is H1, underline, centered align. H1, centered aligned, underline के लिए कौन सा है? U tag. Okay. So first line clear. Now come on to the second instruction. Rest of the font is in H2 and blue in color. Rest of the font is in H2 and blue in color. So here it will be H2 and it is blue in color. So we will use font tag, font color equal to blue. और H2 में है सारा का सारा कंटेंट. क्लियर है? Next heading is in red color. This heading was given in red color. So again font tag here, font color equal to red. So you can do the nesting. So now here the font tag will be closed. So only heading 1, subjects covered in 10, only on this text the red color will be applied because we have make a block using the font tag. तो font tag सिर्फ उसी पे वर्क करता है जितना टेक्स्ट उसके अंदर रिसाइड कर रहा होगा. Clear? Again a font color start that the rest of the text is in blue color and it's H2. Next is font style of entire page is Courier New. For the entire page, font is given. Now you can use base font, but base font will not work in the this Chrome. It will only work in Internet Explorer. So that's why I'm using the font tag only. Again, font face is given Courier New. Clear hai? Nesting is clear? Yes, bache? Any doubt till now? Okay. Now the next is given HR. वो आपकी nested list के बाद आ रही है HR. So we have to start with list now. Firstly, the ordered list is given starting from capital A. That is the ordered list. So start. Now we have to make a list. OL type is given capital A. First list item is English. Next list item in the list, Maths, Punjabi, additional. Same way, Punjabi, and then additional. Now under the additional, bache, you can see a nested list is being started. That is the unordered list with the type square. So from here we have to start unordered list UL type equal to square. Now the list items for the UL tag. The list items under the UL tag, social science, computer applications and Hindi. Social science. Again the next list item. That is computer science. And then Hindi. Clear? So now the unordered list will be closed here. UL tab close. After the UL, we have to close the main list from where we have started, that is OL tab, ordered list. Clear? Now in the web page, you can see after that, after the list, a line is given, HR is given, HR size 3, size is given 3, width is given 200%. So width equal to 200%. Next, color of the line is given yellow. Color is given yellow. Clear? So once again, look at the coding carefully. I'm showing you the web page that is to be made. Firstly, heading is given subjects covered in 10th. For heading, the instructions are given. Heading H1, underline, centered align, and the heading is in red color. So heading is in red color, so that's why we have used font color equal to red. H1 align equal to center, underline tag, subjects covered in 10. This was the heading given, and rest of the text was given in blue color and in H2. So font color equal to blue, H2. So after the list, we have to close these tags also. So first we will close H2 tag and then we will close font tag. Clear? Now the entire font face is given in Courier New. So this was the outer font tag. So this is also to be closed. So you can close it after the HR also, क्योंकि HR में कोई text display नहीं होगा. So it will not create any effect on the output. So you can close font tag after the HR, or you can close before also. Next is, now you have to create a list. Firstly, the ordered list is given. Under the ordered list, unordered list is given. So when one list is having another list in it, that is called the nested list. Okay, so firstly we have to start ordered list, and we know that in ordered list, the default value of type is Arabic number 1. The default value is 1, but this list is given from A, capital A. So that's why we have used here OL type equal to capital A. Now in the ordered list, you can see 4 list items are given: English, Maths, Punjabi, additional. So 4 LIs we have created: English, Maths, Punjabi, additional, right? Now in the next list is given the unordered list: Social Science, Computer Applications, and Hindi. That is the unordered list. And in the unordered list, we know that again, the type is, the default value is disk. But here the squares are given. So that's why once again, we have to use the type attribute. So UL type equal to square. 3 list items were given: Social Science, Computer Science, and Hindi. After making the LI items, we have to close the unordered list. And then the main ordered list that we have started just to create the ordered list. So OL will be closed at the end. Now listen very carefully. अगर आप ये OL यहाँ पे close कर देते हो, for example, if you are closing the OL here, so this will make 2 separate lists. ये nested नहीं consider होगी. This will be a 2 separate list. Ordered list अलग से बन जाएगी, नीचे unordered list अलग से बन जाएगी, और एक ही level से start होगी. This will not be the nested list. एक के अंदर दूसरी नहीं आपको show होगी. Yeah, so that's why we will not close the OL tag here. We need to close it at the last. जब पूरी की पूरी आपकी लिस्ट की कोडिंग खत्म हो गई है, आपने इसको लास्ट में जाके बंद करना. After that, as the instruction was given, the color, the rest of the text will be in the H2 and blue color. So that's why we have closed the H2 tag here, and then the font, so that the blue color will reside. Then the font style was given, the face was given. So at last we have closed the font tab. Now in the web page, the HR is given, that is of size 3, width 200%, color is yellow. Width means length of the line, size means thickness of the line. So the thickness we have specified using the size attribute, that is 3. Length we specified using the width attribute, that is 200%, and color equal to yellow. Any doubt? You can note it down the coding, bache. Let's look at the output. So this is the web page. Clear? The web page is clear. List clear है सबको? अब देख लो, अगर मैं यहाँ पे ordered list नहीं बंद करती, if I will omit this tag and I am closing it here, अगर हम इस तरह से कोडिंग करते, OL पहले ही क्लोज कर देते, तो क्या आउटपुट आना था? So let's look. See, 2 different lists will be there. Second list, first list का part नहीं बनेगी फिर. Okay? So for making the nested list, the outer tag of the list will be closed at the last. So now proper nested list has been created. Okay? Coding is clear? Any doubts? So look at the coding once again. Title was given, so we have implemented the title tag. Background color was given silver, so we have given. So this was the older text, but it is not giving any effect. Then for entire page, font face, अगर आप Internet Explorer में कर रहे हो तो आप base font लगा सकते हो फिर. Then face Courier New. For heading, font color red. So heading tag here with the underline with centered aligned. Then for rest of the page, H2 and font color blue. So this was the nested list we have created. And then H2 close, font close, then font face close. After that, the HR tab, the properties of the HR. Clear? Coding is clear, बच्चे? You can note it down. And I've already informed you regarding the revision test that is on coming Friday. Whole syllabus, whole HTML, except links. Links are not in the PT1. All right. Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? All the tags are clear, properties are clear, how we have applied the attributes. Okay, so that's all for the day. Take care. मैं ये आपको ग्रुप में भी डाल देती हूँ. You can take it from there also. Okay.